Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got this really pretty fall look. I don't even know what to call it, but I used the Ciate London, the editor palette, to create this whole look right here. So if you want to see how I got this look and how I did all of this, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just priming my eyes a little bit with what's ever left over on my sponge. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with the Ciate London palette. This is the editor palette. And this is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. There's a lot of shimmer, a lot of metallics, and only a handful of matte shades. I think there are 4 matte shades and the rest are all just shimmers, metallics. So I'm actually not really too sure. I just want to test this palette out. I've had it for a bit and I just haven't gotten around to using it. So I guess we'll just use our Morphe M502 and I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here and this peachy tone right here. I'm gonna mix it together and just pop this into my crease. And normally I start with the outer portion. I'm gonna start right here. Okay, so I do like that color. I think it's really pretty, especially for a crease color. And I'm really just working this color into this inner portion into my brows. I'm gonna build this color, so I'm just taking my time. Okay, so I'm gonna stop with this color right here. So I'm just making sure that it's even. So I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm really gonna work that and pack that into the inner tear duct. So just right here. And I like being really generous. And then I'm just also bringing a little bit down here, just for some balance. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here, this cranberry shade, using a flat brush. I'm just going to pack this right onto the center of the lid. This is very pigmented, so pretty. So I'm just pushing the product in. And I'm stopping this color directly on the center. Now I'm just gonna clean this brush off. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is right next to that cranberry. Okay, so I'm taking this color and I'm just adding it on to the rest of the lid. Taking a small little fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go in with this brown right here. Just taking a small amount and I'm just going to wing out this outer portion right here. And then whatever left over on my brush, I'm just going to buff and blend, holding my brush upside down. I think I want to take a little bit of this green right here using a very small brush. And I just want to add this right over here. So I'm just going to add this right in the center and I'm just going to buff out like upwards. So there's just like a little bit of darkness and a little bit of green just kind of peeking through. I'm going to open my eyes and make sure that it's not covering, well, I want to make sure that my crease isn't covering that color. So I'm just going to work very slowly in very small sections, just taking my time. I just want this to be kind of like a little peekaboo. I think it looks really nice. Hopefully it's picking up on camera, but I do like the way that looks. I'm actually debating if I want to add a little bit of this teal color too, which I am thinking about. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this teal right here, just a tiny, tiny bit, and just pop this right in the center. Just right there. Just going back in with a little bit of this cranberry, just a tiny bit. I'm just going to pat this right here, just because I was doing quite a bit of blending, and I really, really like this color. All right, we're just gonna go back in with this brown. I don't know if I want to do too much color on the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm just working this brown on the lower lash line and connecting it just a little bit over here. And just really, really just buffing this out. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my NYX glitter glue, taking a very, very tiny amount on the back of my hand. So I'm going to take a little bit of that glitter glue, and I'm going to just tap it right here in the center on both sides. So I want that shadow to like really pop. And you know what? I think I'm gonna add it right in the center here too on the top lid. Okay, cleaning that brush off a little bit. Going in with the cranberry. Going in with that color. Really just patting that in. Oh yeah, that made a huge difference. Now I'm gonna go in with that gold, this gold right here, and adding that right in the center. Going back in with that same gold, I'm going to tap that right here, just right in the center, where I've laid down that glitter glue. Oh, yeah. That was a good call. Going back in with this shadow right here, I'm just going to add just a small, I'm just going to add a little bit more right here and just bring it out a little bit. I'm also going to apply that inner tear duct highlight right up here. And I think I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of that gold also and just keep it right in the center. Okay, taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to soften the shadow just a little bit. I don't want to move around all the colors I placed. I just want it to look a little cleaner, a little tidier. Okay, so for my waterline, I'm gonna go in with this The Balm Mr. Right Now in eyeliner in Jack. I haven't used this eyeliner before, but it does look like it's a really nice bronzy shade. So I'm just gonna add this into my waterline. Wait, it's not, nothing's going on. Oh, okay. I had to really get the first layer off. I broke it. Okay, hold on. This is falling apart. This is not, it's not okay, guys. It's not okay. I've never used this before. Okay, I think I was able to get some of the product. I'm just trying to warm it up on my hand. It just wasn't gliding on at all. I don't feel like it's going on. Okay, I'm not a fan of this. I don't know if I just didn't get a good one, or if, I don't know. I feel like I need to try this again because the color looks so nice. I just want you to work, just work. Ooh, okay, we're gonna try this. This is the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Get Paid. This is a really, really pretty, just, it's so pretty. It's like a coppery gold. like a peachy coppery gold, right? Yeah. That went on so nice. You know, I haven't used this in a while. This is the Milani Baked Bronzer in 5 Soleil. It just gives such a pretty glow and sheen. Okay, so for my lashes, I did my Salon Perfects in 614. These are just my go-to lashes. I feel like they just look good with every look. And I'm just gonna add a little mascara onto the lower lash line. Well, the lower lashes. So I'm gonna try this highlighter. It's a Bare Minerals highlighter in Fierce. This is what it looks like. It just looks like a really pretty soft gold. And I'm just gonna add a small amount here. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of this blush, and this is also from Ciate London. This is their Marble Light Blush in Burnt. Just a really pretty color. I feel like it's going to tie the whole look together. And I'm just using the same base brush I was using for bronzer and powder. So I'm just going to add this right here onto the apples and just kind of bring this up. Okay, I'm just going to take a clean, fluffy brush. I'm just going to buff everything out with no additional product. Okay, so yeah, I'm really liking this look. For my lips, I went in with Morphe Sugar Pie lip liner and this this L'Oreal Color Riche 978 All Out Pout lipstick. This is actually really pretty. This is what it looks like. I will do a nice little swatch for you guys. So that's what it looks like. It's my first time using it and I really like it. But I love the way this look turned out. I'm really happy with it. The palette is so nice. I'm usually someone who likes a palette that has a good amount of mattes and shimmers and metallics, but I think this palette is so pretty. The shadows performed really well. I didn't have any fallout whatsoever. I did pack on a lot of metallic shades, but like you guys saw, there was absolutely no fallout whatsoever. So I really enjoyed using this palette and trying it out and testing it out and creating this look for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.